Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OKX for trading with US compatible settings step by step clearly. To begin configuring OKX for trading with US compatible settings, visit the OKX website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. After signing in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the section labeled Security. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Next, proceed to the Profile section of your account. Verify your identity by providing the required documentation. Choose to enable US trading options if available. Head to the Market tab to view available trading pairs. Select the trading pair that interests you. Once selected, click on the Trade button to access the trading interface. Familiarize yourself with the interface elements, including market orders and limit orders. Set your preferred trading settings under the Settings tab. Ensure that you understand the fee structure as it may vary for US users. Next, visit the Funds section to deposit your preferred cryptocurrencies. Select your desired cryptocurrency and follow the instructions to deposit funds. After your funds are deposited, return to the trading interface. Enter the amount you wish to trade and select your order type. Confirm all details before executing your trade. Monitor your open orders in the Open Orders tab. Finally, keep track of market trends and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. Your OKX account is now configured for US compatible trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.